Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with two essentials, a compatible Roku and the same Wi-Fi network. Power on the Roku, open settings, then Apple Airplay and HomeKit. Enable Airplay so the device advertises itself. On your iPhone or Mac, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. This speeds discovery. If prompted, set an access code or require confirmation. Choose what fits your privacy needs. Once done, keep the Roku input visible on screen, so your next discovery step is quick and reliable. Now initiate streaming. On iPhone, swipe to Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and pick your Roku. On iPad or Mac, use the Airplay icon in the video app or the menu bar to choose the Roku device. For music, select your Roku as the audio output in Control Center or within the app. If a code appears on the TV, type it on your device to pair. Make sure video apps aren't restricting Airplay. If they are, use screen mirroring instead. Complete the session by using your phone or Mac to control playback. Volume usually follows your device unless the app manages sound. To stop, open Control Center or the Airplay menu and disconnect. Roku returns to its prior screen. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot the Roku and your sending device, then ensure both are on the same network band too. 4 versus 5 GHz can matter. If you still can't connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.